Brother's gonna attempt to go in this thing. Old sawmill. Here you go. It smells like a grave in here.
What do you see?
I don't know, it's just a bunch of rocks. I think I can climb up. Should I try? Yeah, there's like people have done it before. Here. Well, I can't like do it by myself with the phone. Ashton, come in here. Yeah?
No.
Just come in, it's easy. I need someone to film it if I want to climb up.
I'm not gonna get
Whatever. Come in.
Don't fucking film it.
Yeah, well, yeah, people have definitely climbed up here before.
What the hell is this?
Yeah, bro, I'll go up like right here.
What the hell?
Well, I think you got the... There's literally pants in here. You guys see this? This is literally what we came through, guys. A little hole. Dad, come the other side. Here, I'll pass you the phone. Other side. You think you can reach the phone? Other side. Camera?
I almost set you guys down really quick.
You can climb up through here. Gosh, pass it. Where is it?
Right, I'm climbing up with the camera.
No, sauce it up. Yeah, here.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna get the viewers.
Wait, I'm gonna crawl up with them.
Actually, you know what? There you go.
Oh, jeez. I thought it was like a big spider web thing. Oh my god, I just can't freaking. There's literally like some creepy ass shorts down there. Alright. Oh, gee, boys. Guess we're going back down.